Plated in gold and nearly a century old, Oscar's a fit 13.5 inches high. A slim but solid 8.5 pounds is just one reason why many honorees use two hands to hoist this Hollywood humanitarian. That plus the fact that he is now a nonagenarian. But at 91, he clearly still has the guns and doesn't seem to be caring that his answer is no one to the question.
Who are you wearing?
More than 16,000 square feet of red carpet has been rolled off the trucks, something you yourself could do too if you had nearly 25,000 bucks. Speaking of costs, $2.6 million advertisers will pay for a 30-second spot, roughly half of what the folks at the Super Bowl got. And for the first time since '89, the post of host has been shaved, so that salary of $15,000 has been saved, a small pittance compared to what the nominees get with admittance and their swag bags this year. $150,000 in goodies and gear. By going hostless, the Academy is hoping to focus and speed up this 3 to 4 hour beast and have it end in the East sometime before Monday morning, so they'll be strict on the speech times, or so they are warning. And remember, the Academy is hoping never to do what happened years ago too, when Kimmel shouted at Beatty,
"Warren, what did you do?"
So to avoid any confusion, illusion, or hints of collusion, no fewer than 6 rules have been added for the folks at PricewaterhouseCoopers to avoid a repeat of the ultimate Academy blooper. There are scores of other numbers for you I could rhyme, but the music is playing, so I guess I'm out of time. So let me leave you with the two I think you're going to need most in case it's an Oscar party you're planning to host. Sunday at 8 is when the cameras go live, and the only place to see it, right here on News 5. John Kosick, News 5.